before and then after. My God, African threading is truly the game changer. I tried it and the result is fantastic. Stay with me and I will tell you a few things you can do to get the very best out of African threading to stretch your hair. Now, if this is your very first time of seeing any one of my videos, I am Didi Rati. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification so you don't miss updates on how to keep good hair. And to my returning subscribers, you are the real MVP. Welcome. Let's get into it straight on. African threading is not just about wrapping threads or Brazilian wool around your hair. There are a few things that you need to do to get the very best out of them. I made this particular one solely to stretch my hair, and it tamed my hair because comb can now run through and it is super affordable. That's the best part of threading. Whether you choose to use Brazilian wool, plaiting rubber, or even sewing thread, follow these steps to ensure hair growth, retention, that is hair retention, as well as just identifying as African. Either one, follow these steps to get the very best results. If you are someone who is struggling with receding hairline or you're battling front hair, you don't have front hair, please mind your hairline. When you're making threading, ensure that you give space between your scalp and the hair. Your hair needs to breathe. Never forget that. As much as it is fantastic a style, it also has the potential of cutting your hair if you do not do it right. So keep that in mind always, all the time. Another step, wash your hair. In fact, this is number one before anything else. And deep condition as well. Allow your hair to savor the best of good products. Then you can add leave-in conditioner and hair butter. If you're a fan of shea butter like I am, it's a great time to use it. Please do not thread dry hair. It will only break it. And you also need to use the right thread. All right, use any one of the popular ones. Brazilian wool you can use. You can also use a rubber, of course, after you have oiled your hair very well. And you can also use sewing thread, whatever works for you. But don't use any random stuff just because you're trying to try stuff out. It's good to experiment, but stay careful. Oil your hairband before you use it. If you want to use hairband to, catch the front or whatever you're using hairbands for. Hairbands have the potential of having your hair break. So the best way to avoid it is to make sure that you oil it. Now, this is me just seeing if I can style the hair because the goodness I got out of this is just immeasurable. Disabuse your mind of that belief that the tighter the better. No. It is not the tighter the better. This is why you need to control tension on your hair. If you pull it too tightly, you're not doing your hair any good. All right. This does not mean you should make it loose, but please just ensure that you have control on the tension on your scalp. Be kind to your scalp, be kind to your hair, and be kind generally. Now, on another day, on a very good day, when I am over the excitement of how this threading thing has stretched my hair, I will make another video to talk about how some edge controls are just not it. I mean, see what this one did to me now. It just embarrassed me here. But hey, I would not dwell on that. Today is just to thank God for the goodness of African threading in my life. See me, I'm trying very hard to, get rid of it. I just sprayed water, hoping that it made a difference. But as I went out, it was still as white as snow. And I was wondering why. What have I done? Anyway, still basking in the goodness. I'm still shocked, super excited. I am dazed of the goodness. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification. I'd also love to hear from you. If you have tried African threading before and you got the desired results, let me know in the comment section. And if you would also like to see a video of me actually making it, please leave a comment. Now, this particular style was birthed out of a live session. So if you go to my live stream, you would see how I made this hair. I'd leave a link up above to see another easy hairstyle that you can make and rock. Remember that here we promote easy hairstyles, something that you can wear, easy go, and no stress at all. Check out my next video. No buys. It's only welcome around here.